who used to know me from my bald days, they used to say me, you have got younger by 10 years. I find you to be the most suitable person to do my surgery.
And sometimes we have to think about what to do with higher grade of baldness. If you have a higher grade of baldness and you're confused what to do, because a lot of people or doctors might have said that you cannot do a transplant because the donor is limited, then what is the answer? So we will have to see that what combination treatment has to play a role. A combination treatment of FUT and FUE and body hair has a significant importance in higher grade baldness that gives higher coverage and preservation of your donor for future utilization. So let's discuss a case today. Dr. Sarkar, he is our 2.5 years old patient. Like we had did 2.5 years back the transplant with combination of FUT and FUE and body hair extraction. He has come for the follow-up. Let's have the first-hand experience and his feedback. How are you, Dr. Sarkar?
I'm fine, sir.
So nice coming here, and we are really obliged that you are here for your feedback. So just tell your story that how did you research about transplant and came to know about Jaipur Medispa?
First of all, I had a higher grade of baldness. I researched a lot, and personally and online research. And finally, after researching almost 2 years, I find out your name and address, Medispa Hair Transplant Centre, Jaipur. And I find it the best option to cover up my higher grade of baldness. And I am, after 2.5 years of transplant, I am fully satisfied and pleasant and excellent experience from my side.
Thank you, doctor. And especially I want to understand how a normal person, not being a doctor, because you are a doctor and you can really identify how to find a good doctor. So what are the salient features which a normal patient should understand, like point 1, point 2, point 3 to look in a clinic so that he can have a good outcome?
First is the skill of the performing doctor. Second is the setup and the equipments, modern equipments to prevent any kind of complication. And third is obviously the results.
Yeah. So very important is the skill, and definitely the skill is correlated with the qualification of the doctor.
Yes, sir.
And experience.
Yes, sir.
So we should always look for these two things.
Yes, sir. I researched a lot about you and find you are very highly qualified and very, very experienced surgeon.
Somebody who is a plastic surgeon like me has studied for 14 years.
Yes, sir.
And somebody who is experienced after that for 14 years of transplants.
Yes, sir.
That is what we should look for, the experience and the qualification.
Definitely. To get the best result, we should and we must look for this category.
Yeah. And overall output or the results.
Result is obvious, it will be excellent and good. 100% and 100% natural looking. It is completely painless procedure. Yeah. And thirdly, it was absolutely complication free.
That is very important point you enumerated. So when we do a higher grade baldness coverage, we need to do a combination treatment of FUT and FUE, isn't it? If you compare with FUE only, which is more popular, we have seen that a lot of clinics, they offer only FUE technique for higher grade baldness. How do you compare only FUE technique with combination of FUT and FUE for higher grade baldness?
Sir, for covering the higher grade baldness, both the FUT and FUE technique is the best suited, because FUE, a large number of graft I think cannot be taken from to cover up the larger area. Yeah. Only from the FUE technique, and there is also a complication of FUE technique because it causes a thinning of the donor area.
Very true.
When you combine FUT and FUE, very larger area can be covered in a single sitting of surgery without damaging or thinning the donor area.
Very importantly, the damage rate is minimal when we do a strip surgery, because we divide all the graft under microscopic magnification.
Yes, sir.
With seeing the hair underlying the skin, in which direction they are going. So we divide it very high precision, and absolute less than 1% damage is there in FUT. If compared with FUE, the damage rate is significantly high. That's why only doing FUE with 5,000 grafts will lead to higher number of damage rate compared to doing a combination in which majority of graft is taken by FUT.
Yes, sir.
So damage is less than 1% in FUT, and if we combine FUT and FUE, the total damage is further reduced compared to only FUE. If we do 5,000 graft by FUE from backside, we have to cross the safe donor zone. We have to go much higher or lower. The longevity of these grafts are less. So we see in a lot of cases that transplanted grafts has fallen off early in life, like after 2-3 years we have seen the significant loss of transplanted hair. That is mostly because unsafe area harvesting.
Yes,
Plus we see the donor depletion thing, that we see a lot of scarring on the backside because of over extraction of FUE grafts from the back of the scalp. So in future it will look emptier. Plus if we need more grafts in future, which might be required when we have a further extension of hair fall, because hair fall is a consistently progressive thing, and if we see only transplanted hair, they are very less quantity compared to the overall scalp hair, and if we are losing overall scalp hair faster, or there is fast hair fall of existing hair, well, we need more grafts or hair to fill that area. In that case we have to take further more graft, and combination will serve the purpose, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Because, sir, as you elaborately mentioned, in FUT technique, the graft division is done under microscopic magnification and by highly skilled persons.
Yes.
So there is almost 0% chances of damage to the follicle, and the lesser the damage, higher the chances of getting the good results.
Yeah, because we have a limited number of donor grafts available, we should preserve each and every graft. At Medispa, we take care of each every graft like diamonds. We don't even want to waste one diamond from your scalp, because the donor is limited and we can't replicate the hair. So we have to be very precise while extracting, less damage rate and full growth in the frontal area also. These are the important things. For this we use microscopic magnification and combination technique. There are a lot of complications of strip surgery which people enumerate, that neck becomes stiff, there is a lot of scarring on backside. What is your experience?
In my experience, I have no such complication, not a single thing after FUT technique, because I have no problem, not a single problem in moving my head, or there is no stiffness. And regarding scar, there is very minimal scar which is never visible, and the donor area is absolutely not damaged, and absolutely there is no thinning in the donor area.
Yeah, I always do the trichophytic closure myself, embedding some grafts inside the scar while closure, so when the hair grows from that scar in future, the scar is not much appreciable. Yes, so does anybody recognize you as a transplant?
No, sir. After transplant, nobody can recognize me that I have undergone a hair transplant procedure.
It looks fuller?
It looks fuller and
natural to your face?
Absolutely, according to my face.
So have you seen that widow's peak and temporal triangle?
Yes, sir. Widow's peak is absolutely fantastic thing, and which I like most in your designing. And temples restoration is absolutely natural. Yeah. Nobody can identify me because of your natural designing. It is a male pattern.
Male pattern is a M-shaped design which is proportionate to your facial features. So this widow's peak gives an absolute sharp face, and temporal triangles on sides will make the sides look very fuller. So overall getup is very much enhanced and you look much younger, more confident.
Yes.
So do you feel there is very much importance of a designing part? Because in a lot of centers I have seen the straight line design and a very 90-degree acute angled hair in a straight line, thick dense frontal hairline, a straight temporal triangle, so almost like a Wolverine look, you know.
Hair transplant surgery, apart from being a surgery, it is a more of a cosmetic thing.
Yes.
So designing is
more of an art,
yes, less of a surgery.
Yeah.
So the skill and experience of the surgeon is very much important.
Very
and in this matter, Medispa Jaipur and Dr. Soni sir, I think he is the best in doing this designing.
Thank you.
Because a male patient should be transplanted according to his face, according to his age, according to his profession, and according to his appearance.
Very true.
So designing pass is the first and foremost thing which you are looking for.
We can see your happiness on your face, and
yes,
if you compare your previous photographs with the present photograph, there is absolutely demarcation and absolutely drastic change in frontal profile. You look very young and very handsome in frontal view and side view.
Thank you, sir. It is all because of you. So people who used to know me from my belt days, they used to say me, you have got younger by 10 years.
Yeah, wow. Congratulations for that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So being a doctor and trusting us as a doctor is a great thing, because as a doctor can definitely identify a proper qualified doctor, experienced doctor, and he can trust on somebody who is having better results, and choosing Medispa by you.
Thank you very much, sir. I also very much honored and happy and satisfied, because after a lot of research myself, I find you to be the most suitable person to do my surgery.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
For more information, go to our YouTube links. We have detailed information of this subject on my YouTube videos.